Today I'm gonna teach you very unique and easy method to create leather effects, guys. And no one would have taught you before like this, right? So hey friends, welcome back to Priya Fashion Art Studio. I hope you all are doing well. As you come to know, we will make a pencil skirt. So first of all, we have to create a outline of this illustration. First give a two dots and connect both dots with the curved line. We will draw this with freehand, so we have drag a vertical line from the point. Same thing we will do in both sides. Now we will make a curved line, and you can say also make a C from the top to the bottom like this. And we will do the same thing from the both side. Now we will connect with the curve, little curve, and the connect with the other side, and make another curved line. Just because this is the belt area, so we all have to sew here. Here I am dragging another line to divide this skirt in equal parts. It doesn't make any sense, guys. I am just making this for design. You can skip this. For this illustration, I have chosen only one color, which is burnt umber, and the techniques which I have used here, it's my favorite. It is layering technique. And mix this color with the water, and you have to use maximum of water and make a tint of this color, and apply this color all over the area like this. Now apply the second layer of this color and use this very light hand, not make a very harsh line, just like this. And definitely, guys, I will come with another leather tutorial with the new techniques. Now I am applying the second layer of this color and apply all over the area, just like before. Trust me, guys, I do this technique again and again until I reach the color which I thought. Now I am creating all the outlines in this skirt. Okay, now I am here to give the lighting effect, because the leather, if the light comes from anywhere to the leather gives a shiny effect. So I am giving the for shiny effect using the white color pencil. You can use any pencil. Here I am using polychroma pencil, and see carefully what I am going to do here. I am rubbing the white color pencil with the very light hand. See how the color is emerging, but I am not going to stop here. Okay, I am using tissue paper for blending the color, and if you are using tissue paper, see how the color come out from the illustration. And I repeat this step 2 times for nice shining effect to this texture. Whatever materials which I have used in this illustration have been provided in the description, and some of my other tutorials also. Here I am doing the second layer of this technique. I am using white color pencil here, and sprayed those area which I covered earlier with the white color pencil. And guys, you have to rub carefully with light hand, otherwise if you do with pressure, a harsh line will be created which will be difficult to remove, and the texture will not come out properly. Here I am using brown color pencil for shading, and the also line will come out very nicely. And guys, if you want I will come up with this type of tutorial, then please let me know in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to share with your friends.